This is room 8404 at Disney's Grand Floridian. This is a 2-queen water view. I will say our water view is of the pool, not of the lagoon. But as we walk in, you can see we have 2 queens. Nice rug underneath. Look at these floors, they're beautiful. It is storming outside because, you know, summer in Disney. But these are the newly decorated rooms. You can see they have a nod to Mary Poppins. This does come down so you can put 5 people in this room. You can see the instructions they put right here. You just pull it down and it makes a bed. Very simple. We also have the new Hey Disney. Let's look at outlets, shall we? So over here, we have a nice stand to put your devices. And then underneath we have a USB, a USB-C. We have 2 outlets on either side and a nice little shelf to hold whatever device. We have reading lamps. Just pull out, you can move around. And then on this side, there's also 2 more USB, or a USB and a USB-C, so 2 more charging, and then 2 outlets. These switches do the overhead for this side, and then the middle one does the sconce, and then the third one right here does that one, okay? So you can control that from the bed, that's nice. This side also is duplicate. Same thing, you got your charging outlets, your 2 regular outlets. Drawers. Nice pretty lamp. And then over on this side, same thing, so it's very symmetrical. Got our shelf, and then underneath for charging. I have a nice little stool here that you can pull out to get ready for things or just to sit and make a desk. Very versatile. Couple of knobbed drawers. And then over at the wet bar, we do have an actual Keurig. This first drawer, you will see coffee, actual coffee cups, not paper, that's nice, ice bucket, and then of course this is a cooler. It's not really a refrigerator, so think beverages, not things like milk or something that will spoil. Also, this has charging outlets, as does this side as well. So it's on both sides. That plug does have for the Amazon device. And you can read all about it here. Hey Disney, what's the weather?
Right now in Lake Buena Vista, it's 79 degrees Fahrenheit with thunderstorms. Tonight's forecast has just a few clouds in the sky with a low of 76 degrees. Also, there's an aerial flood advisory in effect until Thursday, August 1st, 6:45 p.m.
So there you go. Or you can do things like trivia. I don't want to do those right now, but see all the things that you can do. What's nice though is that even though it's raining like this, it's drastically dropping the temperature because it's hot. Chandelier, nice vaulted ceilings. That's what I love about this room. It's very open. If I turn around, look how open it is. So it's not like other hotel rooms where the ceiling is low. Okay, let's go into the bathroom. We have 2 sinks with a lighted mirror. We do have some Disney products here for you. Of course, the shampoo, conditioner, and soap is on the wall inside, but here's some bath soap. Towels underneath. And more outlets on either side. And this is a sliding barn door. Nice big shower head. Toilet. A little stamp right there to let you know nobody's used it. Open this, it slides. And that's what I was talking about on the wall. This pulls out for drying. Okay. Storage here. You can see it does fit my suitcase, which is wet because I walked in the rain. Extra pillows and blankets for the flip sofa, robes. We do have a handheld steamer here, which is nice. So if you want to iron your clothes, that is the hair dryer. Regular DigiSafe, which is big enough for a laptop. Lots of storage. So this is the room in Boca Chica, which is one of the outside buildings of Grand Floridian. It is a 2-queen water view. We do have a balcony. This is our balcony right now, and we overlook, look through the rain. We overlook the pool. That is the main building. So we are super close to the main building. And on the other side of me, those rooms are looking out the lagoon.